A while ago now, I was in the studio with Craig Joubert of Marbling for Fun, and we had a great time, and he showed me how to create my own piece of fabric, approximately a fat quarter of it, with these lovely blues and purples. And here it is in front of me. I am going to turn this into a cushion, but beforehand I thought I would work on it with a bit of quilting. Now, one of the things I wanted to try was the idea of double needle quilting, and I was prompted to try this by an article in this magazine. So there we go. There's a really quick way to make a pillow case, a cushion cover, whatever, from a single piece of fabric. Give it a nice press, but she'll look so much nicer when it's stuffed.